So the hacker scammer fraudsters were just harassing me, calling me a fraud who can't play D&D. Right now I'm a broke person, so no, I can't do fun things. But that doesn't mean I'm defeated by these. They call me a fraud, but they're the fraudsters. I'm tired of their bullshit. Now they're like copying my interest in D&D. I'm about to go outside. If you don't stop fucking, you better fucking stop harassing me, or I'm coming outside. You're bullshit fucking hacker scammer fraudsters. Right now I'm just playing some, DMD with Gemini. I get tired of this shit. This is like a fun little D&D loose, little fun little novel thing that I can play, even though I'm broke right now. And these people, 100%, they're always gonna be on their fucking phones, looking at my hacked phone. So my phone is being hacked 24/7, and there's a lot less cultists. I don't know if they lost power or if they disbanded. But they're still the fucking hacker, scammer, fraudster, cultist neighbors in the cul-de-sac. These people are not writers. They're not fighters. They're not coaches in fighting. At least not anymore. Thank God. The fucking fake fighter thing shtick is not sticking anymore. And now they're a fake writer, fake D&D shtick. I'm gonna keep fucking pushing it until their shtick doesn't fucking stick.